This is a look at the back of an Indesit fridge, and what I've done is to take off the relay which was on the back, and as you can see, and I've replaced it with another one which is like this. This is a spare one I've got, and I fitted it up in place there, which you might be able to see there. That's where it is, and I think it's a good swap over, because this one had one fitting, and this one also has one, so I think it's appropriate. This old one was going, you can see it's some burning there, and on the other side it's even worse, and I think this has failed. So this is I think a very good repair to this fridge. It's running okay. It's noisier now because I've lifted it up onto the polystyrene, so that you can better see. But it's working well. It's drawing heat out. So I think it's a very good replacement.